This is Jama, Ghana's favorite music and the most exclusive music genre to Ghana. To my fellow Africans that have not heard of this before, draw closer. Let's all learn together.
Jama is a type of music in Ghana with a collection of different kinds of music. It can be any genre brought together to maintain a systematic and a high level of morale that can keep someone off their feet for a very long time. Like nobody listens to Jama and still keeps sitting. If you are a real Ghanaian when Jama is playing, you will always be singing along or you'll be dancing along. I'll just give you an example. Here is a music right here. Just watch it closely and look at how everything plays out. Taking a close look at this video, you've just realized that there is someone that is leading and there are people that are playing drums before you see the morale. So that is how the features of Jama looks like. There are people whose joy is purposely to dance. I know in many countries all across the world you will not see this kind of music. This music is purposely made by Ghanaians for Ghanaian consumption only. Thank you for watching this video. I know you've learned something new.